Yep, saw that one happen.
Oh! 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 He's gonna get... Yes! Yes!
Oh my god, we never get to see anything like that.
Is it recording?
Yes!
Did that one a red light? Finally!
Yes! We got it on camera.
Yeah, pull him over, bro. Yeah, pull him over.
Oh, shit!
It'd be like a watching. He's probably doing a video.
Oh, I'm sure.
So,
Look at that weirdo. What are you doing? Oh.
go ahead. Hell yeah. Let's just roll around with the lights off and everything. Real smart. Real smart. Stupid.
Oh, let's just do a flyer. Right? They gave him 4th round draft pick. To bring him in and do nothing. Now they brought him in to just let him go 2 years later. Yeah, I don't know if they were doing a lot of development over there. They got their own issues and their own problems. Scratch him out. Yeah, it's a complete head scratcher.
All up at Fleet Farm now. This week only, holiday snack trays are 25% off. For your furry friends, buy one, get one 50% off all Kong treats and toys. Pop into
Victoria's Secret is supposed to be classy. It used to be classier. And then there's like, what's another, what's that other store? I can't think of it. I can't let you know.
Oh, that's funny.
What's the Ari? There's an Ari one that...
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. That's why they need to be set up this way.
Oh, here we go!
Catching a runner from the RBT.
Catch him so we can see what happens.
What are you doing?
See companies that I have to compete with. I have to pay for the compliance costs. I have to be transparent. I have to abide by the law, and they don't.
Nope,
And they
and they're
raise
getting
money
pulled over
with the same
for it.
bankers I use, and I have to compete with them, and they're not being transparent. They have to get
A few moments later.
drain cleaning, toilet repairs, even sewer line replacements and tankless water heaters.
Honestly, I'll try anything that keeps me out of that crawl space.
4-288-1951. Ask about 0% financing for up to 60 months. And remember, don't cuss, call Gus. Labor Day savings are happening right now at the Home Depot. So what are you working?
Who's he getting? Oh, that guy. I knew it.
And once the leaves are select stores for details.
It's 35.
Introducing.
Oh my goodness. That is, wow. I mean, you were flying down here. Jeez. Oop, there you come. Don't want to get you.
Durangos. I hate Durangos.
Ni su nombre conozco, ya quiero volver a encontrarme. Persona, abrázame que el tiempo es malo y
that cop's about to pull over that Kia. Because he just made a left turn from the straight lane.
Why does everybody